If SketchUp is giving you an error when saving a file, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most effective fixes step by step so you can get your model saved again without losing work. This is especially helpful if the file suddenly won't save, keeps throwing an invalid file name message, refuses to sync, or seems to freeze when you hit save. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software fixes and step-by-step guides. Let's start with the quickest and safest fix first. Save as a new file. Instead of trying to overwrite the same file, go to File, then Save As, and give it a completely new name. Also change the save location if possible. For example, save it to your desktop instead of a cloud folder or synced drive. This helps rule out two common problems right away: file corruption and sync conflicts. Sometimes the original file path or location is the real issue, not the model itself. If that doesn't work, the next fix is to test whether the model itself is the problem. Open a new empty SketchUp file. Then go back to your broken model, select everything, copy it, and paste it into the new file. In many cases, a clean file can accept the model even when the original file is acting up. If the new file saves normally, that tells you the problem was likely with the old file container or a hidden corruption issue. Now let's talk about file size, because extremely large SketchUp files can become difficult to save, especially in web versions or slower systems. If your file has a lot of geometry, imported assets, textures, or hidden objects, try reducing the load. Delete anything you no longer need. Remove unused components, extra scenes, or unnecessary textures. Large files can also fail to save if they contain too much junk data, so trimming the model down can make a huge difference. Another important fix is checking for a specific corrupted component. Sometimes one bad object or component is enough to break saving. If you recently added something and the problem started after that, try deleting that component and saving again. If the file saves after removing it, you found the source of the issue. This can happen with imported models, damaged components, or geometry that has gone bad over time. If you're seeing an invalid file name or autosave related error, go into your preferences and check your autosave settings. On desktop SketchUp, open Window, then Preferences, then General, and look for the autosave options. If the file is very large, SketchUp may struggle to autosave quickly enough. In that case, increasing the autosave interval to something like 20 or 30 minutes can reduce save conflicts while you work. It gives the software more breathing room and can help prevent repeated saving interruptions. For web users, another thing to check is Trimble Connect syncing. If your project won't sync properly, don't keep forcing the same save again and again. Instead, use the download option to save a local copy of the file. This can help bypass temporary sync issues and give you a stable version of the project you can work from. Once you have a local file, you can re-upload or sync again later when the connection is stable. If the file still won't save, the next thing to do is clean up the model using Purge Unused. Go to Window, then Model Info, then Statistics, and click Purge Unused. This removes unused components, materials, and other leftover data that can bloat the file over time. It's one of the best maintenance tools in SketchUp, and it often solves save issues that are caused by unnecessary hidden data. And if none of those fixes work, the problem may be with your desktop installation itself. In that case, try repairing SketchUp. Run the installer as an administrator and choose the repair option if it's available. This can fix damaged program files or installation issues that are interfering with saving. After the repair, restart your computer and test the file again. So to recap, if SketchUp is failing to save, start by saving as a new file, move the file to a local location, test the model in a clean file, reduce file size, remove suspicious components, adjust autosave settings, use Purge Unused, and repair the installation if needed. One of these steps usually gets things working again. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more quick SketchUp fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.